Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to check active taxpayer list income tax of AJ&K, Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. Just click on active taxpayer list income tax. It has different options: active taxpayer list income tax, sales tax, taxpayer profile inquiry, exemption certificate, property certification verification, 7E, payment slip ID, PSID, computerized payment receipt. We want to know how to check active taxpayer list income tax. Just click on it. Active taxpayer list income tax. Registration number. Enter 13 digits CNIC number. I have CNIC number. Enter captcha. Click on verify. Sometimes this side we face issue, therefore result was not showing, but now the result is showing. You see the status, registration number, name of person. He has no business activity. His status is showing active and late filer. It is late filer showing because for the taxpayer file their return after due date. Therefore, the status showing active but late filer. The disadvantage of active late filer is only for property. When the taxpayer will purchase property, it has three status: filer, non-active, and late filer. The filer or active rate at the time of purchasing of property, the filer rate is lower as compared to late filer, whereas non-active person tax rate is much higher. For example, when the person purchase property, if the status is active and value of immovable property is less than 50 million, then active taxpayer rate is 1.5% of property value, whereas the late filer rate is 4.5% and non-filer rate is 10.5%, I think. Whereas other than property, when active person withdraw the cash of more than rupees 50k, the bank not withheld income tax, whereas in late filer as well, bank will not withhold income tax if the amount withdraw amounting to rupees 50k, whereas for non-filers, if the taxpayer withdraw more than 50k, the bank will withhold income tax on cash withdrawal. Active and non-active, and third category is active late filer. His filing status we checked on today, and its status showing late filer, active late filer. Today I make a website on Google. It's free of cost. No need to pay charges. I don't need to pay charges. Just discount on everything. Pakistan only. The delivery is in Pakistan only. I have these. I will add more twice, but I have these twice now, and it is discounted price. And these are watches. Kids piano type, and and ebook and learning purpose blogs, and it has I offer my services for return filing and registration and active taxpayer list. You can check this website as well. Thank you.